Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to run diagnostics on your DELL Latitude 5420. I think that the best way to run diagnostics is to first shut down your laptop if it's currently on. I'm gonna do a force shutdown because otherwise it asks me to update my laptop, and I don't want to do it now because it'll take about 7 minutes. So if you want to force shut down as well, just press and hold on the power button for long enough that both the screen and the light on the power button goes off. You can see that even if anything showed up on the screen, I kept on pressing the power button so that the display goes off, and this is called a force shutdown. Once that's done, press on the power button after waiting about 15 to 20 seconds, and immediately after releasing the power button, start repeatedly pressing on the F12 key. That will open the one-time boot menu from which we can access Diagnostics tool. When it says preparing one-time boot menu in the top right corner, you can release it, and then you'll see Diagnostics on the pre-boot tasks list. Select Diagnostics and wait a moment. Now it'll start performing a quick test, which I don't think you can leave. You just need to wait, unfortunately. I think it'll be better if you could simply skip it, then go to advanced test if you wish, but yeah, we need to wait, so I'm gonna show you when that process is finished. And now it says that all tests are passed successfully. So if I want to learn more about it, I can scan the QR code that's shown here. Although if it says all tests passed successfully, I don't really need that. Also, if you want, you can go to advanced test, and then in advanced test, select which devices to test. Just select whichever one you like and run the test. Afterwards, you'll also see the results here. System info can be also found, and some logs. Once you're done with everything, if you want to exit, just click on the exit button in the bottom right corner. And that's basically everything. I hope that video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.